Are you interested in rice review? Then check this out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Hama, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. So this is the rice that we are going to review in this video. So stay tuned if you're interested. As you see in the picture, this is super basmati rice. We usually make biryani with this, right? So this is from dawaat rozana brand. We got this rice from jiomart stores. Now I'll tell you the offer details. When you go to jiomart, you have jiomart and smart bazaar, as you see in the picture. These are two separate stores. All the new users, please listen. If you have not made your first order on jiomart or smart bazaar, you can go place your order because you'll be getting 300 discount on your first 3 orders, as you see in the picture. If you are not aware of the smart bazaar or how to place order on smart bazaar, you can go to my description box and check out the video over there, and you have got some other rice review videos also available. If you're interested, you can watch them, especially jiomart daily rice is super good. Now let's see this dawaat rozana basmati rice, which we use for making biryani, right? If you want biryani, you can check out this. Coming to the specialty of this rice, I'll tell you. Let's unpack this and see how is the rice. This is available on jiomart stores at 75 rupees. Okay, as you see in the picture, this is how the rice is. It is basmati rice, but it has got broken rice mixed up. But don't worry, after cooking it tastes like biryani and you can enjoy biryani. And it multiplies about 2/3 of its original quantity after cooking. And it's affordable. That point strikes us all, because at this price of 75 rupees, getting biryani is such a feast, right? Especially to those who crave for biryani oftentimes, right? Okay, now let's check out how the rice is after cooking. Shall we go?